Did you know most hardcore gamers will grind 500 hours to master a game but never once practice losing gracefully? So I'm in a lobby. Random teammate drops in. First 30 seconds, this guy is moving like the game was built around him personally. Clean shots, perfect angles, reading the map like he wrote it. And something weird happens in my chest. Not respect. Not yet. First, it's that quiet little voice. You know the one. Okay, but I could do that. Nah, you couldn't, bro. So I've got three choices. Try to outshine him and look stupid. Pretend I don't see it. Or just let him cook and play my role. That third option? That one physically hurt. Because nobody tells you that ego is a skill. And if you spent years being the best player in every lobby, you never had to build it. Letting someone else be great without making it about you? That's harder than any raid boss I've ever faced. And I'm still leveling that up. Go follow Agent X Wolverine on Twitch.